It's a mystery to me. Who doesn't love a good mystery unbagging or unboxing? I know I do. So when we come back, after I roll that beautiful bean footage, we will get into this and we'll see what I got. Hello everybody. Rob from Quilting in the Man Cave here, and yes, I have another mystery package here. Now this time it is from Missouri Star Quilting, and I figured since one of my past videos I did a mystery unbagging or unboxing from Fat Quarter Shop, I would give Missouri Star an equal opportunity to impress me. So the fun thing about a mystery package is you could get trash or you could get a treasure. You just never know. But let's see. I cut open the corner here, the edge, and let's see what I have. Ooh, I see blue. Woohoo! Look here. Trying to get rid of the glare. This is from Benartex, and it's called Mystical Mermaids. So let me cut this open without cutting the fabric, and let's see what's inside here. Ooh, very nice, but maybe I'm going to bring the camera down so you can see a little bit of what I'm doing here. Maybe not something that I would normally purchase, but let's see here. I'm trying to get this to peel back, and my fingers don't want to cooperate. 2, 3, 4. Looks like there's going to be possibly 4 of each design. We got some bubbles, blue with white bubbles. Alright, the story behind this mystery is, oh, this is pretty, nice colors in it, is, I think it was about 3 weeks ago now, Missouri Star had mystery Fat Quarters on special, and I said, well, I'll give it a try. I think it was like $18.95 or something like that, plus shipping. Ooh, I like this. Take a look at this. This is really sweet. Like that a lot. So they had it on special, and like I said, I think it was $18.95, and I said, well, you know what? How bad could it be? I mean, if nothing else, I can use these fabrics for a test. For, ooh, this is pretty in purples. You know, a test for a test block or a test quilt, or if nothing else, I can turn it into a charity quilt. Oh, this is really sweet too. Look at this. Little mermaid scales. Really pretty. Two, 3. Yeah, it looks like there's 4 of each design here. This is pretty too. Nice dark purple with white bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sweet. We got mermaids here. Check this out. I know there's a shadow there, and I don't know why, but this is sweet. I like this. So yeah, probably something I wouldn't normally buy, but hey, for the price, I'm not going to complain. Now, truth be told, Missouri Star is not paying me to endorse any of their products or them themselves. I just happen to enjoy purchasing from Missouri Star. This is really sweet. It's one of my favorite online stores. So tell me, leave a comment below. What's your favorite online store to purchase from? And maybe I'll check that out and see if they have any kind of mystery packages or mystery products that I might be interested in purchasing to show for my friends here. So, yeah, bringing the camera back up. I know it's a little dark today. It's kind of gloomy outside, and it's a little later in the day than I would normally record a video. But, so, yeah, as I was saying, leave a comment for me on your favorite online store to purchase from, and I'll have a look, see if they have some kind of a mystery package or mystery deal, and maybe I can show that to all of you, my friends here on YouTube, my quilty friends. And also, tell me in the comments below, what's your favorite color? I can't say I have a real favorite color. I do like turquoise, is one of my, and I do like purple, but I just love color, but not really bright colors. I'm more subdued. I do like my neutrals, as I stated in one of my past videos. But anyways, I'm going to call it a day. Be sure to give me a like. If you're not a subscriber, please take a moment to smash down on that subscribe button, and be sure to hit the bell indicator there, and so you'll be notified each and every time I put out a new video. So, thanks again for stopping by and joining in with me for this little mystery here. Let's bring this up a little closer. This is really sweet. Again, I wouldn't buy it myself, but I'm not sorry that I have it. I think this would make a nice little child's quilt, you know, maybe a young teenager or something like that. I don't know, it might be a little too much for a baby quilt, but you never know what I might make out of it. I may just use it for a test block for a quilt. I've been itching to do a disappearing 4-patch, so I might just do that, and we'll see what transpires. So y'all just have the greatest day ever. Thanks again for stopping by and watching me, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you all again really, really soon. I'm gone. Oh, by the way, don't forget to support your local humane society or rescue group. So with all that being said, have a beautiful and quilty day, and I'm gone. Bye-bye for now. Whoosh.